Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back to my channel. And today's Saturday morning makes. I would like to share with you the projects that I made for Altenew Academy. This is the third and last level. Hopefully I pass. Before I show you everything, I would like you to make prayer for Tasneem. She's the one responsible for the cards, and she's the one giving me the comments and the challenge. And you know what's going on now in Pakistan. Please pray for her safety and her family and everyone there in Pakistan. Okay, so let me show you the products I use. So let me show you the product I used. I used this Mama Elephant die, this one called Whimsy Alphabet. I really love the font. Then I use Altenew stamp set, this one called Forever in Love. This is big stamp set. Then this die is by Tonic Studio. It was a part of a kit. No, I didn't use the tag. Then I used this die, the rectangle die by My Creative Time. Then I use Altenew Leafy Wreath. I love this die so much. And did I use this one? No, I didn't. I used definitely Altenew watercolor coloring book. They printed in two colors, like black or black ink and like a faded gray ink. Then I used this stencil called Stone Wall Stencil, and this die by Mama Elephant. Not sure if there is a name or not. Anyway, I'm gonna write the names in the description box. And I used a couple of Altenew inks. Okay, so let me show you the cards. Okay, so this is the first card. It's a shaker card, and this was a part of a class called Cards in Motion. So it's all about shaker cards and any what do you call it, interactive cards. So I really love it. This is the second card, and I learned this technique, this splatter and loose watercolor painting. And this card, this class called Creative Color with Aram. I love it. Third card is like mixed media card, and I learned about this technique from a class called Demystifying Mixed Media. Love, love, love this class. Then this is the fourth card, and this from a class called Floral Composition. Then this fun card is very simple, and this one called I learned this technique from a class called Zentangle for Card. The thing about these classes that you can just purchase them from Altenew website. You don't have to register for Altenew Academy. So yeah, last but not least, this fun card. Love it so much. And this is part of a class called Spotlight Die Cutting. Yeah. So if you are into coloring and watercoloring or mixed media or flower stamps, check Altenew Academy or Altenew classes. Anyway, just one thing, let me show you another project. Next I have this beautiful die, this one called the Star Gift Box by Tonic. I'm going to leave the link or the name in the description box. And I made this box. Oopsie. Okay, look at this. And you can with a drawer, and you can put candies or chocolate So beautiful. I don't, my kids remove the drawers anyway, but it's so beautiful, and the details, so you can cover this up and put a name or anything or whatever. So beautiful. Okay, then we have this die. I made a tutorial, but still I didn't edit it, but people in Tonic Studios did an amazing job, you know, with the tutorial on how to put this together. So this die called Big Top Carousel gift box die set. Beautiful. Look. So beautiful. Look what's inside. Batteries. Oh, I think there is so fun stuff. My daughter, yeah, she put her clips. Yeah, it's a cute 3D organizer. So cool and beautiful. I used papers or cardstock from Cut Cardstock, and this paper by Doodlebug. So cool and beautiful. Really love it. Okay, and there is, you can, you know, put the horse, or you can just remove it, but I didn't use the horse, so you can, so it's versatile. You can just do it like this, or I double it up, as you see, but you can, you know, just do it with the horse. It also will be so beautiful, but it takes so much time and die cutting, you see. But anyway, it's worth it because the result is really phenomenal. Okay, then I have this die. This is stamp set. I'm sorry, my kids are playing. This is stamp set by Woodward's Floral one, and I stamped it and colored with Copic markers. Love it. I use all shades of violet or purple. Then this die set also by I don't remember the name. I will write the name down below. And I made this card. It's very elegant. Can be for, you know, wedding or engagement. Have a fabulous day. Well, this is all my Saturday morning mix. I hope you like it, guys. Yes, I have a giveaway. I reached 1,000 subscribers. This is huge and a milestone for my small channel, and I really appreciate every one of you. So I have a gift certificate from Tonic Studios, $25. So what you have to do is just like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Tell me what is a product you just keep putting in your cart, shopping cart, and you remove it. Put it back and then you remove it. You're hesitant to buy it and you feel that you want it. I'm not sure if I am the only one doing this or is someone there is doing the same thing. So yeah, write in the comment what is this, a product or a stamp or a die or whatever, and I will pull a winner in next Saturday morning mix. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.